Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Gator.Country-SportsReveal. We're going to be doing card openings, sports reveals, send stuff off, returns in the mail, seeing what we get, and just talking about Gator sports in general. All right, so I've been shopping now with WhatNot. I am interested in that. I found out, so I've gotten some packages sent in, and we're going to see what we got in the mail recently. So I got 4 packages. Let's see what we got here. Open these up. See what we got. All right, first one. Boy, they really wrapped this one up really good. Don't want to damage anything here. Opening this up. Nothing like secure packing. I can tell you that. All right. Let's cut this bad boy open and see. The first card is Allen Iverson Red 2003 Prism. Look at that. That is a nice card. Color match. Even sent me a little sticker there. Let's promote his channel for him. Hugo Rips. Look at that. Nice card. Nice card. Great color match on that. All right, let's open package number 2. See, this is from Peter Johnson. Not sure what's in here. Don't want to cut myself. My first channel. All right, what do we got here? The man, Julius Irving, Dr. J. Look at that, 6 SGC. Nice. Love this guy. Growing up, I was always a big fan of his. Nice card. Look at that. 6, 78, 79 tops. Julius Irving and Dr. J. 15 bucks. Huh. I can do that. All right, package number 3. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. Now, if you guys don't shop on WhatNot, I'm new to it. And I just found out, I was watching another YouTuber and he was promoting it, and I went to it. It is a great way to buy cards. You will definitely not be disappointed in them. All right, pack number 3. What do we got here? Let's see. Oh, look at that. Jalen Williams. Montage, PSA certified, autograph in blue, 2022 Mosaic. Look at that. That is a nice card. You gotta love the guy's hair. I'm talking about Dr. J. Beautiful. Nice signature, clean, good penmanship. I really think these guys, OKC is gonna do big things next year. Jalen Williams, first round pick, number 19. He averages 19 points a game. Really big time. Great card. Great card. Glad I got that. And the last one here. Let's see what we get. Not sure. This guy sends his out like I send mine out. He buys a big envelope and just wraps them up. Send me a little note. I know what this is. This is a great card too. Look at that. Red Ice Alvin Kamara. Look at that sparkle on that thing. Color match to PSA. Gem Mint 10. 2021. Look at that. He had a great game last week as well. Great game against Dallas. Ran all over him. For you Dallas fans, sorry about it, but this guy can still play ball. Look at that red ice. Great card. Wow. We're going to cover up Mr. Iverson with him. All right, guys, there we go. We got 4 opens from WhatNot. Got some great cards. This Jalen Williams, Kamara, red ice. Got the red Allen Iverson 2023 Prism. And, of course, we got the 1979 Dr. J in a SGC 6. You know, I kind of like SGC. I've sent a bunch of stuff off to SEC, waiting on them to send my stuff back in the mail. We're going to be opening those guys up as soon as they come back. I have sent off a lot of cards. So hopefully we'll have some good rips in there. See some good 10s, hopefully. But other than that, thanks, guys. Enjoy. And until next time, signing off.